Hello, this is Chris Lancy with your Tropical Atlantic Marine Weather Briefing, issued Sunday, May 18th, 2025, valid through Friday, May 23rd, provided by the Tropical Analysis and Forecast Branch of the National Hurricane Center in Miami, Florida. So the good news for the next 5 days is that there are no gales expected, no very large swell reaching our waters, and no preseason tropical storms or hurricanes. All good news. So the tropical weather outlook issued this afternoon on May 18th for the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and Gulf of America. No tropical cyclone activity is expected in the next 7 days, so it looks fairly quiet. Looking at the specific conditions as of 12Z, Sunday, May 18th, this morning we had some moderate to fresh return flow in the Gulf of America. Out of the southeast, fairly quiet conditions for the Caribbean, only gentle to moderate winds. And then throughout the tropical Atlantic, between the Bermuda High out east and lower pressure over the ITCZ, we generally have moderate to fresh trades with 8 to 10 foot seas as a result. Forecast conditions for 12Z Monday 19th. We can see that the southeast return flow over the Gulf of America continues with fresh conditions, no change over the Caribbean, and relatively no change over the tropical North Atlantic with the moderate to fresh trades and seas 8 to 9 feet. Forecast conditions for 12Z Tuesday, May 20th. We can see that the southeast winds in the Gulf of America out of the southeast continue at moderate to fresh conditions. Still moderate winds in the Caribbean Sea, and over the tropical Atlantic, the pressure gradients weakened a little bit, and now it's generally moderate trades with seas 6 to 8 feet. By 12Z on Wednesday, May 21st, winds over the Gulf of America have diminished, whereas over the Caribbean Sea, we're seeing moderate to fresh winds with seas about 7 to 8 feet, as well as some moderate to fresh trades over in the Gulf of Honduras with seas also 6 to 8 feet. 12Z Thursday, May 22nd, we see a weak cold front has emerged off the southeast United States coast, and preceding it are some moderate to strong southwest winds and seas 8 to 10 feet in that area. Gulf of America continues nice and quiet, and then over the Caribbean, pressure gradients enhanced a little bit, and now we have more widespread fresh trade winds there with seas 8 to 9 feet. And then finally, forecast conditions for 12Z on Friday, May 23rd. That weak cold front continues, and ahead of it, the winds have diminished a little bit. They're down to moderate to fresh southwest winds. Over the Caribbean, however, we're seeing stronger winds across there with fresh to strong trades and seas 10 to 11 feet just north of Colombia. So this concludes your Tropical Atlantic Marine Weather Briefing. No gales, no very large swell, and no preseason tropical storms or hurricanes. Next briefing will be issued by 5 p.m. Thursday Eastern Daylight Time, Thursday, May 22nd. And you can always get the latest forecast information from hurricanes.gov/marine. Be safe.